Yes.
Come on, what's your full name?
My name is Noman Mahmood.
Noman. Okay, welcome to interview session, Noman. And please introduce yourself to us.
Okay. My name is Noman Mahmood, and my father name is Hassan Mahmood. And basically, I belong to Muzaffargarh city. And recently, I shifted here in my hostel. And and I have done my intermediate. And first of all, I have done my matriculation at my school COE, and then I have done my computer operator diploma from the Basira, and I can work at MS Office, Excel, and PowerPoint. And my typing speed is 30 to 35.
Great, great. What are your future plans?
In my future, I have decided many things. First of all, I go to UAE because my brother is also here, and I want to a job to there. That's it.
Okay, that's why you are learning this
English.
English language,
Yes,
and
yes,
practicing it.
yes.
When did you join CLC?
1 month ago, I joined the CLC.
How's your experience going on?
It's good because I CLC develop confidence more, and I feel in a friendly environment.
Can you compare your first day with today?
Yes, because when my first day, I feel very nervous and everything is beyond my expectations. But I feel friendly and all of my cluster is very good.
Very friendly, and
Okay.
it's you feel that this environment is supportive.
Yes, yes, of course.
And today you're sitting and you are appearing in the interview.
Yes,
I think it's a big milestone you have achieved,
yes,
that
yes.
you're sitting confidently, understanding and answering the questions. Inshallah, we hope that by the end of the session, it will be much, much better than
Inshallah.
this. Even you're speaking good now. Okay, tell me something. How many friends you have?
In class.
No, generally in life.
Many friends, but my best friend is four only. It also made in my school.
They're your school friends.
Yes, school.
Okay, what made them your best friend?
Could you explain it? To
Means why they are your best friends? What qualities make them your best friend?
Okay, because he totally understand me, and I ask every situation and I discuss all of things with them. And because when I join in companies, and I feel better.
You feel better.
Yes.
You think that they understand you well.
Yes, yes, yes. Of
They
course.
understand you well.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Can you define friendship?
Mm, Yes, of course, because friendship is important in our life, because sometimes we depress some reasons, some incidents happen in your life, whereas the one of the person a friend who he also support them, he also build their confidence, and that's why friendship is very important.
Thank you, Noma. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
Okay, thank you, Hafiz.